Traditional puzzle tables. Bulky, cramped, cumbersome. The all-new Puzzle Haven revolutionized your puzzling experience. 360 degrees resistance-free rotation. Widened weighted base. Locking casters. Smooth mobility. One-hand 4-position adjustment. No more manual rotation adjustments. Gas spring lift. Intuitive operation. Time-saving efficiency. Dual-sided non-slip felt surface. Guaranteed puzzle piece stability. Expertly crafted natural pine wood. Dual drawer storage system. Unleash creative freedom. Premium gift-ready packaging for lasting impressions. Time to add puzzles to your everyday vibe.